Afternoon. We've got some really dismal weather for many of us today, but across in Europe, well, they've had some sunshine and they've had some warmth again. And yesterday, records were broken in Western Russia, St. Petersburg and Moscow, peaking at 25 yesterday afternoon. That's 77 Fahrenheit, and that is well above the average of 9. There's some sunshine there as well today, and it's warm. But further west in Europe, it's a very different story. We've got low pressure in charge. We've had bands of rain speeding up from France through the morning to give some quite wet weather in eastern England, and we've still got those fronts trailing across Scotland and Northern Ireland to keep things dull, cold, wet and windy. In fact, for the rest of today, we'll keep our severe weather warning going for much of Scotland, particularly northeast and eastern areas. It does look as though that rain will continue. It'll be heavy and persistent. We've already got some rivers on amber flood alert, so we could have some problems with local flooding. So staying wet really for much of Scotland, possibly brighter for Stornoway again, but generally cloudy, cold and windy, some snow for the hills, and temperatures held back at 6 or 7 degrees. Similar temperatures as well across Northern Ireland. Now, it's been raining all morning across Northern Ireland, some heavy rain around, still raining now, and also that rain extends right across the Irish Sea in towards northwest England. So very little change here through the day, staying mostly cloudy, dull and wet. But further south, I think it will be a little bit brighter at times, but here rather more showery, I think. And out of the showers, and in any brightness, I think it'll be quite warm, temperatures creeping up to 15, but basically quite a cold picture for many of us. And then some changes for the rest of the week. It looks as though the rain will tend to ease off quite nicely through Thursday as it pushes away across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Then it'll be a quieter day for many of us tomorrow before the next system starts to develop across the near continent, and that's set to bring more rain in during the course of Thursday night and Friday. So for Thursday then, we'll get rid of most of the cloud and rain from the north. It'll gradually push away into the northern and western Isles. There'll just be 1 or 2 showers around. It'll be a much quieter day across England and Wales as well, with some sunny spells. But later on in the day on Thursday, we'll start to see that rain coming in from France, heavy in places, possibly the odd rumble of thunder. Now through Friday, that'll gradually push its way northwards, and allowing some clearer skies to come into the south later and the odd rumble of thunder again. But I think the main rain area will push across northern England into eastern Scotland. Temperatures starting to creep up a little bit. And then through the weekend, well, of course, the holiday weekend, it does look as though it'll generally be a little bit warmer, but it is hard to put detail on things. I think we'll see some low cloud coming into eastern areas with a few sharp showers, and we'll also see 1 or 2 showers in other areas, but also some decent dry and bright weather.